So guys, got some information for you on the up and coming cryptos webinar that we'll be holding ever since I've been mentioning crypto. Been getting lots and lots of messages through emails asking me what I do, what I've been investing in. As I've mentioned before, I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't want to give financial advice, although I'm massively into alternative ways of living because I want to get you away from the matrix and be able to be financially secure in yourself, so you can move away from it. And this is what's going on right now. Make no mistake, it is the biggest transfer of wealth that we've ever seen. No surprise that the billionaires have just made even more money. I mean, I think stats come out the other day saying that Jeff Bezos could actually pay every one of his employees $100,000 bonus, and he'd still be the richest man in the world. Now, this is one of the things that we've got into in this space, and I'm long on quite a few different coins, and I've seen a tremendous return on what I've invested in, and I've taken my advice from certain people that have been in the crypto space for a long while. The guy I'm going to introduce to you right now he's a crypto expert. He's been in banking and finance for 15 years, and he's been in the crypto space for the last 5, and his returns on investment have been phenomenal. So I'm going to introduce you to him. He's going to give you a little bit of background about the seminar. We're going to be doing it next Wednesday at 8 p.m. UK time, and we're going to get into it. So here he is. His name's Jonathan Kaufman. I'll let him explain a bit more about what he'll be doing, what he'll be covering, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, there you go. John?
Thanks, Ryan. Hey, guys. So, in this seminar, we're going to cover kind of what's happening in the crypto space, how we got here, where we're going. We're also going to talk about the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind, how you can take advantage of it, what coins to pick, and how to safely and securely store those coins. So, hope you guys will join us. We've seen returns of over 700% in the last 6 months. And if you would like to learn a little bit more about how you can do that and empower yourself in this very interesting time we're in, we can help you do that. So,
awesome. Cool, guys. So, as I said before, I'm not a financial expert, but what I do is, I listen to experts in every area of my life that I want to excel in. I say to people all the time, when it comes to health, employ someone who's an expert, because it's like using a sat nav. It'll get you from A to B a lot quicker than you trying to go through things yourself. And when you do that, you follow their advice, it's amazing the results you can get and how quickly you can get them. I think the seminar, John's going to be charging it. He usually charges a lot of money per hour to talk to him. He's going to be doing this for £127, and the information you're going to be getting there is going to make you, far more than the investment. You should be charging a lot more for it. So if you're interested, send me a message to this. I'll be putting it out to my email list as well, and you can get signed up for it. We'll be putting out another video with a link to where you can sign up, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. So message me back if you're interested, and I'll speak to you soon on this. Okay. Hope this has helped. Have a good day. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.